How to insert picture in Amazon? So go to insert option and see this. Okay, click on here. Just select your image. Desktop. You can minimize this. You can rotate. So you can add a different style like oval. Okay, rectangle. Select this and let's see. This is the oval type. And also, okay. Select this. You can change uh, like this. There are different style. Picture styles are available here. And if you want to set picture shape, you can see. But it's not good error, but I have to add this type of error. Okay, let's see. Select this and go here. Click on this. You can choose a different style. I like message option. I think this is picture shape. You can add the this is okay. Or you can add pixel border. And this is the color for pixel border. Good, not a bad one. So you can sense it again and to add this shape um, start. And trying to change the border color as the green. You can rotate it. You can set it position. You can, this is the center align. There are different style. Uh, Align left. So this is the basis of for inserting a pixel. First go to insert option, click on pixel. After that, select your desired pixel like back image. Again, you can change a pixel style from here. Click on this. You can add a shape like this type of. Okay. You can add a border color. And to add border color as a green. So, or you can sense it from here. Okay? And this is the pixel effect also. Shadow reflection. If you click this, the shadow option outside and the shadow. Okay. Just minimize pixel shape, pixel border, and pixel. Okay, so If you want to crop this, just click on here. You can crop. Okay. Let's see. The pixel is minimized, or you can set height and height also. So thank you and thank you for everybody to stay with